Welcome to this video on how to invest in IPOs via UPI in India. IPO investing has become extremely popular, and with UPI integration, applying for IPOs has become quick and hassle-free. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of applying for an IPO using UPI, the benefits, potential issues, and updates to the process. Stay tuned till the end for important tips. UPI has revolutionized digital payments in India. It allows seamless money transfers directly from your bank account without revealing your bank details. When applying for an IPO, UPI makes payments faster and more secure. All you need is a virtual payment address or UPI ID, and the transaction is completed with just a mobile phone authentication. Before you apply for an IPO, ensure that you have a UPI ID linked to your bank account. You can create a UPI ID through apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or BIM. Your UPI ID will look like your name IUPI or phone number bank name. Next, select an approved broker or bank platform that supports online IPO applications. Ensure that the platform supports ASBA, a SEBI-approved system that blocks the amount in your account until allotment. Log in to your broker's app or bank portal, go to the IPO section, and check the list of available IPOs. Here, you'll find IPO company names, price bands, and IPO dates. Select the IPO you wish to apply for and enter details. First, enter the bid quantity. This is the number of shares you want to apply for. Then enter the bid price, the price at which you wish to buy shares, and then enter the UPI ID. Once you submit the application, double-check all details. Then, open your UPI app and approve the mandate request to block the application amount. Make sure to do this before the IPO closes. After submission, track your IPO application via your broker's app or registrar websites like LinkedIn or KFintech. If shares are allotted, the blocked amount will be deducted and shares will be credited to your DMAT account. If not allotted, the blocked amount will be released. At times, you might run into issues while applying via UPI. Here are some common problems and their solutions. 1. Delayed mandate request? Don't worry, sometimes it takes a few minutes to appear. You can also manually check under the Mandates section in your UPI app. 2. Mandate failure or expiry. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. It's always best to approve the mandate early. If it fails, reapply. 3. UPI ID errors. Double-check that your UPI ID is correctly linked to your bank account to avoid any transaction failures. 4. If your funds remain blocked even after non-allotment, reach out to your bank for assistance. UPI makes IPO applications more convenient. Here are the 3 key reasons. First, with UPI you can apply within minutes. It is fast and easy. Second, you receive instant payment confirmation through UPI. Third, ASBA ensures money stays in your account until allotment. A key update, SEBI has increased the UPI IPO application limit from ₹1 lakh to ₹5 lakhs. Now, investors can apply for higher value IPOs using UPI. In conclusion, UPI has made IPO investing simple, fast, and secure for retail investors. However, IPOs are not just about easy applications. Always research the company's fundamentals and growth potential before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more details, visit stockhoney.in.